provided more than 200,000 people are getting benefit from that. And this winter relief project that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and King Salman Relief Fund has now come up with will benefit more than 200,000 people. And since this aid will go to the poorest of poor areas of Pakistan. Most of the districts are of Balochistan and one district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. These are the areas which are hit by disaster, especially the Harnai district, where the whole effort will be focused on, is certainly admirable. And I must congratulate King Salman Relief Fund and also the government of Saudi Arabia for taking these initiatives. The poorest of poor are very close to the heart of Prime Minister of Pakistan also. As you know, this idea of Panagas that Prime Minister has come up with, it serves meals to 600,000 people every day. Likewise, the shelter the governments are now building for the laborers is helping thousands and thousands of laborers every day. And in this background, the help of Saudi Arabia is certainly admirable. And Ambassador, I would like to thank you on the behalf of the people of Pakistan, and I would like to thank King Salman Relief Fund for this very generous efforts. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Saudi Arabia friendship Zindabad.